Yo, what's up? During this quick 30-second break, I need you to do something for me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now before we get back into the workout. Smash that like button, turn that notification bell. That way you get more workouts just like this. Second thing, at the end of this workout, go to this Instagram handle at the bottom. Follow me there. Last thing I need you to do is go to my website. Check it out. I got everything from health coaching, ebooks, whatever you need right there on the website. Go there now. Let's get back to the workout. Thank you so much for joining me for this workout today. If you really enjoyed it, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, smash that like button too. That way you'll get a notification whenever I drop a new workout video right here. Also, share this with a friend, family member, anybody else you know that's trying to get their health in check. Share this video with them right now. Let's go.